Welcome to Raw Forestry, where horsepower, hydraulic pressure, and sharp steel turn chaos into clean, usable material long before it ever reaches the forest floor or long after it leaves it. There's something oddly satisfying about the TBG 630 at work. A 661 horsepower Scania V8 spins that hammer rotor, shredding up to 120 tons of branches an hour, turning messy piles into neat biomass rows. It feels like watching order rise straight out of absolute chaos. The Lefort 900 mobile shear steps in with nearly 900 tons of cutting force and a rugged transmission behind it. Powered by a robust diesel engine, it handles scrap steel with surgery-level precision, balancing torque and stability for non-stop recycling performance. No drama, just bite after bite. Trusted across European scrap yards for a reason. The Lindner Uraco 75 DK shredder breaks mixed waste into smaller fractions, chewing through material before it hits the sorting lines. After shredding, the stream passes through separation systems that pull out metals, plastics, and wood. The result, higher recycling efficiency and less junk rotting in landfills. Once upon a time, farmers flipped compost with pitchforks under the sun, waiting months for piles to breathe and break down. Now, Comtech's Austrian-built Top Turn X series compresses seasons into weeks, turning yesterday's scraps into tomorrow's soil. Same natural cycle, just faster, cleaner, and whether you like it or not, weirdly poetic. SBR4's 25mm mesh, paired with a CAT 966M loader, delivers precise screening. Wet soil, fines, and oversize are split cleanly, removing unwanted small fractions and boosting the quality of recycled aggregate. Oversized material becomes more marketable in construction and infrastructure projects instead of ending up as useless rubble. The Hydromech GS 650 runs a Cummins Stage V engine paired with Rexroth hydraulics, generating serious cutting torque. With about 10% more tilt than its rivals, this Italian mobile shear is road-ready and built for modern Industry 4 standards. Remote support and diagnostics aren't gimmicks here. They're real uptime protection. Eurobaler 530 delivers 110 kilowatts of hydraulic muscle, a fully automatic cycle, and radio remote precision. With a standard crane and grapple on board, loose scrap turns compact fast. Canadian engineering proves efficiency isn't just theory on a spec sheet. It's productivity measured in tons per shift. The Type 9 dopstat reminds you even waste holds value. Slowly tearing trash apart, it proves endings aren't destruction, they're transformation. Like life struggles, pressure can reshape what's broken into something useful again, giving forgotten fragments a chance to serve once more instead of disappearing. The VB750D eats aluminum like it's popcorn at a ball game. Blink once and that frame is gone. If machines ever had cheat codes, this one runs in unlimited power mode. Just don't get any bright ideas about feeding it your soda can. The Komatsu BR200S operates at low speed, but still pushes around 180 horsepower with torque above 5,000 Newton meters. Its hydraulic jaws crush wood efficiently while keeping dust levels low. Classic Japanese engineering, stable, controlled force that consistently outperforms reckless speed. Aluminum bars crumble in under a second, yet each fragment gains new purpose. Strength ends, but meaning continues in another form. Recycling isn't destruction. It's transformation, proof that endings are just beginnings wearing a different label. The Vima WL4 turns thick beams into chips within seconds. A 2.2 kilowatt electric drive pushes the rotor with such steady force it feels unreal. You expect resistance, sparks, maybe a fight. Instead, you get effortless precision. German engineering flexing without even breaking a sweat. The EvoQuip Harrier 220 is compact but nasty in all the right ways. It screens soil, gravel, and rock with precision, turning anonymous piles of dirt into sorted material ready for reuse. It's a reminder that efficiency isn't about size, it's about smart design and clean results. Not everything going into a shredder is serious. That sneaker didn't just lose a game, it lost the whole season in one bite. The machine chomps down like it's hungry after gym class. Somewhere, a treadmill is laughing, proud it lasted longer than those shoes. Recycling never looked so sarcastically satisfying. The Liebherr 524 loader, with a 2 cubic meter bucket and two 5-meter center width, feeds the SBR3 recycling screen flawlessly. 15mm meshes separate wet soil and sand efficiently. Despite sticky material, throughput stays steady with no clogging, thanks to precise German design and smart vibration control. After 20 years in wood recycling, operators will tell you straight, RJ's twin shafts won't jam if you maintain them right. A 40mm trommel keeps wood chips uniform, making downstream drying faster and saving energy in the process. Discipline in maintenance equals discipline in output. Maxine India's shredder crushing 1,000 kilos per hour is jaw-dropping. Motorcycle forks, aluminum casings, and stubborn scrap vanish like brittle shells. No roaring, no shaking, just pure controlled power turning awkward, sharp junk into manageable, stackable bits. Any crewman knows nets and ropes twist up fast. A 100 horsepower shredder can keep constant torque, but operators still keep cutters nearby. Experience teaches one rule: never lean in close and always respect spinning steel under load. You only ignore that lesson once. Watching the Vima ZMK42 Chew PET bottles is almost funny, like a German blender with an attitude. Those bottles probably thought they'd retire quietly at the landfill. Instead, they go straight into the shredder. Recycling isn't just serious business. Sometimes it's comedy where plastic gets its final punchline. Industrial book shredders reduce bulky volumes into fine strips, making recycling easier and faster. Shredded paper is pulped and turned into packaging or new paper products, saving trees and energy compared to making fresh pulp from scratch. Less forest cut, more fiber reused. Railway sleepers once carried locomotives and heavy trains across countries. Now they enter the 12L shredder's jaws. What once symbolized progress becomes fragments of renewal. It feels like turning a historical page. Yesterday's foundation, feeding tomorrow's construction. Strength meets memory, reborn through steel. Some machines devour junk faster than excuses at a Monday meeting. Industrial comedy wrapped in horsepower and spinning steel jaws. The Willibald shredder runs a 540 horsepower diesel engine with torque above 160,000 foot-pounds. Its twin-shaft design turns logs into uniform chips at nearly 70 tons per hour. German engineering keeps hydraulics stable, cuts vibration, and prevents dangerous rebounds from hardened knots during long runs. Watching the Maxim 620CL shred timber is strangely calming. Steady rhythm, no clogging, dust control humming in the background. It's like watching order beat chaos in real time. Heavy logs vanish into chips, leaving behind neat piles ready for tomorrow's use: mulch, pellets, board stock, or biofuel. This is raw forestry. Branches, beams, sleepers, scrap, and soil all passing through the same simple law. Nothing stays chaotic forever once steel, torque, and smart engineering get involved.